Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Christmas makeup tutorial. If you have a really fun like Christmas dinner or Christmas party to go to, this is a more glam but like still pretty easy makeup look to do. I've got on my cat ears with little sleigh bells and I have these super cute bow earrings, so I'm feeling very festive right now and I really love playing with glitter and makeup, especially this time of year, so I really hope you guys like it. As always, all of the makeup that I use in this video is going to be cruelty free, so if you are into that, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video. It is totally free. And if you want to see how to get this glam Christmas party makeup, then just keep watching. Before applying my makeup, I like to prime my skin with the Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer. This is one of my favorite primers because it's a moisturizer and primer, so it's like a really nice base for makeup. And then I will go into concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This comes in so many different shades. I've used it on people when I was doing their makeup and it looked so beautiful, so I decided to use it in this one. And then of course, I just blend it all out with a beauty blender, and I did use it also to like highlight my face as well, so it's not just a concealer. And then I used the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation. This is something I just got recently. I really love it. The color matches so perfectly. I think it's the shade Fair 2, but I will have everything that I use listed in the description box below this video as always. And I'm curious what you guys prefer to use to blend out your foundation. Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm gonna set my foundation with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I really love this one. It's talc free. It looks very smooth on the skin, and I'm a huge fan of using it underneath the eyes too. I pretty much always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil to fill in my brows lately, but I actually did just buy the brow powder. I haven't used brow powder to fill in my brows in so long, but I kind of miss it, so I might actually start doing that in my like future videos. But here I'm just filling them in like usual, and then of course I will set them in place with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel. I know there are a lot of brow gels out there, but this is the one that works really well for me. I've bought it so many times. I use it like every single day and it's really affordable. I was super excited to receive some makeup from the Pretty Rich collection from Too Faced in the mail, so I'm using the eyeshadow palette. This shade that I'm using all over my entire lid is called It's Designer. This is just a base. It'll make everything else easier to blend out. For my crease, I'm using the shade Fancy That, and I'm applying that and kind of building it up in my crease, but I'm also kind of winging it out into like a cat eye shape at the outer corners, and I do want to leave the whole part of my actual like lid very bare because I'm gonna be putting a lot of glitter there, so I'm just kind of working around that shape and blending it out and making it as like soft as I possibly can for this part. And then I will move on to the bottom lash line. I'm just using that exact same color and I'm smoking it out along the entire bottom lash line. I will be putting a highlight in the inner corner as well, but for now that's all I'm doing with that color. And for the actual glitter base, I'm using a Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. These are amazing. They look so good on their own, but I also wanted to use a color from the palette. So this is called Diamonds for Breakfast, and I'm just packing that on top of the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This is just gonna add a little bit more sparkle to the look, and that eyeshadow does have a few different colors in it, so it's not just like silver. The liquid eyeshadow that I'm using from Stila is called Diamond Dust also, so it is mostly like a silver color, and this eyeshadow in the Too Faced Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette does kind of give like a multi-dimensional glitter look. So now I'm gonna just kind of deepen up the crease a little bit on the outer corners. This shade is called Oh That's Rich, and I'm just kind of blending it into the crease a tiny bit, but also focusing most of it on the outer corner. And then I also just like worked on blending that out even more. For mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I'm just applying like a coat or two to my top lashes for now because I will be using some false lashes, so I don't need a ton of this on. It's just to kind of help blend the two together. And the falsies I'm using are from House of Lashes. These are cruelty free and they're in the style Iconic Light, so I just applied that with the actual House of Lashes glue. And I'm taking this Stila felt tip eyeliner. This is actually like my favorite eyeliner ever, and I pretty much only use it when I wear false lashes because I'm not the biggest cat eye fan. But this time I decided I wanted to draw on a pretty like dramatic cat eye. I don't know why I didn't do this before. I think I just realized that I wanted it after I applied the lashes, but if you want to do it, go ahead and do it before you apply false lashes. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm using the shade Clutch Your Pearls. This is a iridescent white eyeshadow. It has a little bit of pink reflex in it, so it actually does look pretty cute as an inner corner highlight. And then I just finished off the eyes with a little bit more of that Milk mascara underneath on my bottom lash line. And moving on to the rest of my face, I'm using a Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Mocha. This is going to basically bronze up the perimeter of my face, and I'm slightly contouring with it. And I'm just blending this out with an SL Miss Glam brush, but you can totally use like a beauty blender or something like that. I really like the shade of this. It's such a nice color for like bronzing up your skin if you're fair. And then I'm gonna use blush. This is from Tarte. I love Tarte blushes so much. They're some of my favorites that I've ever used. I think this is the shade Exposed. It's like a really popular one in their blushes. And then I highlighted my face with a Pure Cosmetics Sparkle and Shine highlighting palette. This is from their 16th birthday collection, and I'm using the color right in the middle, and I'm just applying that to the high points of my face, so like my cheekbones, a little bit on the apples of my cheeks because I like that look, and then also like on the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow, and I just love how this looks. It's a very creamy highlighter. It's beautiful. And finally, to finish off the whole makeup look, I'm using a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the shade Bond Girl. This is one of my favorite lipsticks I think I've ever gotten. The shade looks so pretty, and I didn't want to do like a classic red because people do that all the time. There's nothing wrong with it, but I just love the shade, and that is it for this Christmas look. And that is it for this glam Christmas party makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Before you go, I wanted to let you know I will be doing a fully drugstore cruelty-free makeup tutorial for New Year's Eve, so definitely stay tuned on my channel for that. I will hopefully have it up later this week or this weekend, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!